Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. Long before modern kitchens, before stainless steel and precision craftsmanship, humanity discovered one of the oldest and most essential tools, the knife. In over centuries of cooking, warfare, trade, and craftsmanship, this simple blade evolved into what chefs today consider the king of the kitchen, the chef's knife. The earliest knives date back more than 2 million years. Early humans shaped sharp stones from flint and obsidian to cut meat, scrape hides, and prepare food. These primitive blades were survival tools first, cooking tools second. And as civilizations advanced, so did the metallurgy. Bronze Age societies began forging stronger metal blades, and later the discovery of iron transformed knife making forever. Knives became sharper, more durable, and more specialized. In ancient Egypt, cooks used copper and bronze blades for preparing bread, vegetables, and meat. The Greeks and Romans expanded culinary techniques, creating larger kitchens that demanded better tools. Roman cooks often carried several knives for different tasks, slicing fish, carving meats, and chopping herbs. But these were all still just utility blades. The modern chef's knives had not appeared yet. During the Middle Ages, blacksmithing improved dramatically. Steel blades became harder and sharper, while professional cooks in castles and royal courts began developing specialized kitchen roles. Large butcher knives handled heavy meats, while smaller blades prepared vegetables and herbs. As cuisine became more refined, cooks needed knives that could do multiple jobs efficiently. The idea of an all-purpose kitchen knife slowly emerged. The chef's knife as we know it was largely shaped in France during the 18th and 19th centuries. French culinary culture exploded during the period. Professional kitchens became more organized, techniques became more standardized, and chefs demanded versatile tools. French bladesmiths developed a broad, curved knife capable of slicing, chopping, dicing, and mincing. This became known as the French chef's knife. Its curved belly allowed cooks to use a rocking motion, still taught in kitchens today. The chef's knife became the centerpiece of professional cooking. Meanwhile, Japan brought a different philosophy to knife making. Japanese kitchen knives evolved from centuries of sword-making traditions used to forge samurai swords. Japanese blades focus on razor sharpness, precision, and lighter weight. Knives like the Sandoko or the Giotto gain international popularity for their incredible cutting performance. Today, many modern chef's knives blend German durability with Japanese precision. Today, the chef's knife is more than a kitchen tool. It is a symbol of skill, discipline, and craftsmanship. Professional chefs spend years mastering knife techniques because the knife affects nearly every aspect of cooking: speed, consistency, presentation, and safety. For many cooks, the knife becomes deeply personal, balanced to their hand, sharpened to their preferences, trusted enough through thousands of meals. The chef's knife is the most important tool in the kitchen. From chopping vegetables, slicing herbs, and breaking down proteins, mastering this single knife can completely change the way you cook. But before speed comes, safety and control. Join us next time for the Chef's Knife Part 2, The Essentials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.